Okay, now we're going to look at how the least common multiple can get applied in algebra. And we're going to use the least common multiple to add fractions. You actually always do that when you have added fractions before, but this year we're going to use it in algebra. And we're just going to start off because it's really just fractions, and I want to show you right away where this least common multiple is useful. Say you had 2a over 7 plus b over 3. Well, you want to add these two fractions. But, well, the problem is you can't add when the number on the bottom is not the same. So we have to find a number that's the same on the bottom. Well, what you have to do is find the least common multiple of the denominators of these numbers on the bottom. And it's 21. 21 is the smallest number that's a multiple of 7 and a multiple of 3. How do we make this 21 happen? Well, we've got 7 here. We want it to be 21. We multiply the top and bottom by 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 2a times 3 is 6a. So there's the top. Look how I can write the common denominator now once. That's how fractions work. If you want to combine them, you get that number in the bottom that's the same. Well, the 3, I want to turn it into 21. I've got to multiply by 7. So I got to multiply the top by 7 too. So it's 7b. Well, that's your final answer. You're not allowed to add those because they're not like terms, but if you want to combine these two things, the answer is 6a plus 7b over 21. Let's just do it in another question. You know, you'd always get a common denominator if you multiply them together, but that'd be a real bad idea here because the smallest number that 10 and 20 both go into is 20 itself. You see, 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. And 1 times 20 is 20. You see how the lowest common multiple is just 20. So all I have to do to be able to combine these fractions, the lowest common multiple is 20. That's the denominator I want. So I multiply the top and bottom of this x over 10 by 2 to turn it into 20. So that's 2x over 20. Well, there you've got 2x plus 3x, because you've got 3x over 20. Your common denominator is 20. 2x and 3x is 5x. And then, hey, you can reduce 5 over 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So it's 1 over x. So these are two good examples of what to do. And the exercises that you're about to do right there, that's just more practice with it. So you can do those exercises now. Okay.